Hey everyone, welcome back to my 3LS channel. Today, we're diving into the world of selfie sticks with the Anxre selfie stick from Amazon. Let's unbox it together and see how it looks. The sleek, minimalist packaging hints at the quality product inside. Let's see what's hidden within. Now, the main reasons I chose this one instead of others on the market, it's because this is both a selfie sticker and a decent-sized tripod all-in-one, budget-friendly, and at least it looks to be good build quality. And here it is, the Anxre selfie stick. Right off the bat, we can see its lightweight, compact design, perfect for on-the-go adventures. The modern, ergonomic grip ensures comfortable handling, even during extended use. One of the standout features is its impressive extendable length, reaching up to 1 meter and 25 centimeters. This allows you to capture stunning wide-angle shots and group selfies. The sturdy tripod function provides a stable base for capturing time-lapse videos and capturing the perfect shot from any angle. Let's delve into the technical details. This selfie stick is compatible with a wide range of smartphones, thanks to its adjustable clamp. The built-in Bluetooth remote control offers convenient wireless operation, allowing you to capture photos and videos from a distance. The high-quality materials and durable construction ensure long-lasting performance. The non-slip grip provides a secure hold, even in wet conditions, and the sleek, minimalist design complements any style. The remote control works flawlessly, and the tripod function seems to be incredibly stable, even on uneven surfaces. So, whether you're a travel vlogger, a social media influencer, or simply someone who loves capturing life's moments, I reckon the Anxre selfie stick is a very good option if you are on a market for a high-quality selfie stick/tripod. Thanks a lot for watching till the end, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and unboxing videos. See you in the next one.